Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into JupyterX to tackle a super common question. How do you make your footer fixed at the bottom of the page? I'm going to show you how to set your footer to fixed in JupyterX with simplicity mode disabled. Just note that this is not a sticky footer that stays visible all the time. Instead, the footer is revealed only when you scroll to the very bottom of the page, while the content moves over it. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's jump into customizing the footer. To start, click the Customize button. Okay, great. Now we're in the customization settings where we can adjust the look and feel of our site. Next, let's head over to the footer settings by clicking here. To see more options, expand the settings panel within the Customize Footer options. Alright, let's set the footer behavior to fixed. This will keep it locked at the bottom of the screen. With fixed selected, the footer now stays put, remaining at the bottom of the screen as the user scrolls through the content. That's exactly what we want. Now, I'm scrolling down the page so you can see it in action. And there you have it. The footer is indeed fixed to the bottom of the screen while I scroll. Perfect. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set your JupyterX footer to fixed, so it stays anchored at the bottom of the page and is revealed once you scroll to the end of your content. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Now your website looks that much more professional, right? If you'd like to learn how to create a sticky footer in JupyterX, one that stays visible at all times regardless of simplicity mode, make sure to check out the related video linked here. If you found this useful, give us a like and consider subscribing for more JupyterX tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.